Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make diagram in Google Sheet. First open Google Sheet and enter your data you want to visualize. Now highlight the data you want to add in your diagram and then go to Insert tab and click on the chart button. Google Sheet will automatically insert a chart. In the chart editor on the right, under the Setup tab, choose the chart type that best represents your diagram. Since I have chosen the pie chart for my diagram, you can select any of this. Now, under the Customization tab, you can add chart title, label and axis, change color and style to make it visually better. So, if you want to change the color, then go to the pie slice and here you are able to change the color, something like this. And once you are done with all of this adjustment, you just have to drag it and move it anywhere in the sheet. Once you are happy with the place, you have to just drop it and that's it. Your diagram is ready to use and look professional in Google Sheet. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.